on the other side of something you think you don't like. I'm just telling you, there are three areas that if you lean into these.
You want the spring rolls? The spring rolls are pretty good. It's veggies.
Ooh. Services we have two types of pictures.
And so a lot of my phone to get videos because she needs videos too of herself.
She wants videos of her? She wants videos of her video.
Here you go.
Oh.
So then you don't want the huh?
Fix her sleeve, Kelly, so I can see her watch.
I didn't think you were going to pull it up more.
Yep. Put the computer more parallel.
In my pocket, okay.
This casual one. Look down slightly.
From photo and hue, you do your vowels, right? A, E, I, O. Ooh, it's really hard, but I'm sure you guys will figure it out. A, E, I, O. But you see how when I get to the O, my mouth closes?
Because you want to pronounce the sound. A, E, I, O, O,
O,
U.
U.
It's all a different smile.
Oh, it's all a different smile.
Yes.
That's the content tip.
So
oh, okay.
yes, your lips are supposed to move. So go ahead, because I know that you're gonna post it.
A, E, I, O. Ooh, I want to say ooh. I don't know
You
why.
did say ooh, it's you. You're saying the letters. A, E, I, O, U.
Okay.
On the brim of your hat.
A, E, I, O, U.
You did it.
I did it. Finally. Oh my gosh.
You got 5 different smiles. I'll go.
5 smiles from the oh, wait, what? Content tip, 5 smiles in one take just by doing your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Doors opening on the left. So yeah, I just wanted to come on. I always say I just wanted to come on here. A lot of times, the blueprint that we're looking for is right there in front of our eyes. You know, we get so obsessed with wanting to be the general curse breaker. When 9 times out of 10, there is somebody in your family or somebody in your network that has been through what you're going through, and it just takes a little bit of opening up. Trust me, I know it's hard to do because I'm still trying to open up to people because, funny, I have trust issues. So I say all of that to say the pivot that you're looking for is in the people that you're avoiding. So, I'm not doing no cute aesthetic shots. Today we're having kava table for lunch. And I just dressed it up with my own dressings. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into this bowl. I normally do the flip over method, but I don't have anything to flip it over in. So here we go. You can see, this is all that good stuff that's in there. I'm gonna clean this up, but I got some more for later just in case I get hungry. you.